Hey everybody, it's Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on a Christmas wreath, a swag wreath. But in this short video, what I wanted to do is just do a video on how I'm going to attach Santa. Here he is. Isn't he cute? So I already went ahead and stuffed my wreath, my swag base with all the mesh. If you have questions on that, I do have another video how to stuff a pine swag base, so you can check that out. I will link that to the description in this video. But for this very short tutorial video, I am going to attach Santa. It's not a wooden sign or a metal sign. That's why I thought I would do this video. It's kind of made out of, I think, felt. It's like really, so I don't want to glue anything because I'm afraid that might like ruin it. And I obviously cannot staple it like I would with a wooden sign. So I made one of these last year. It was a bigger version of the Santa, but this is like a smaller miniature one. And so I'm just going to do is take 2 floral wires, 1, 2, and I'm just going to, here we go. And I don't want to pin, like go too far in because I don't want to make a hole. But because again, it's almost like cotton. And it goes pretty like through it. See? And that way I'm able to just pull it through so it's even. Okay. And then just twist. There you go. There's one of them. Like I said, I'm going to do a second one just to make sure. And it's very simple, but I thought, hey, let's do a quick little video. Again, just you don't want to go too far in. Of course, it's not being cooperative. Oh, there we go. It's almost like a big cotton ball. Let's, I just want to get it through. Santa is not being cooperative on this. Hold on. One more time. There we go. See, that one. And then turn around here, and then I'm just going to twist it. And because it is such delicate material, I am going to take a piece of ribbon. Let me get that. And you can use any ribbon, but I'm just going to cut 2 little pieces. You don't need much. Then I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to put some glue on it. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it over just like that. And this will attach really nicely to this material. And then I'll do a second piece of, again, you can use any kind of ribbon. This was just the one closest to me at the time. Oh yeah, that's sticking nicely. And that way, whoa, down goes Santa. That way, when you're ready to attach it, I'll let that dry a little. There we go. We have a little, so I can attach them. So I will go ahead and do that with you all. I'm going to put him, can you see it okay? Because I want him a little diagonal. So I'm going to connect him. You're going to find when you're connecting a sign to swag bases, there's like a little, like the binding, I guess, in the center, and you want each one of the wires to go around it so that they tie on to that so it doesn't go anywhere. Let's take it off. This is going to be difficult. And I like to just put my finger and find that center. And then bring the wires through. There's one. Then see, like my little finger, I found it. And then you adjust him. And then you just tie it around that center. And then I'll do that again with the second set of wires. And just find it, pull it through. It's easier to do this with a swag base. It's smaller, it's not as heavy as those big. No. Once you've got it, just make it tight and secure. And there we go. There's Santa. All right, guys, again, I will be doing the full tutorial on this Santa swag wreath here in a bit, so stay tuned for that. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, Caleb's Mom Shop. Again, I'm Nicole. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I will see you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.